Hello everyone, and welcome to another micro locs video. Today I wanted to showcase a client who came to me as a referral. She emailed me about her entire history with her locks, and she knew she needed some restoration. She had her locks initially installed in November of 2022. Since then, she has had some difficulty establishing service with one particular person, and through the different maintenance sessions, she's noticed some locks need to be repaired, some locks need to be reestablished. But what I encountered just going through her hair was that there were about 20 to 30 locks that were combined in different ways. Some of them were side to side, some of them were joining rows above and below. And many of them had, on average, 4 to 5 locks that were combined together. And as you can see, different maintenance sessions with interlocking. She said in the beginning, maybe a few weeks after her install, she had to go for interlocking every 2 weeks, which is not a requirement. If you need to go more frequently than every 4 weeks, something is wrong with the technique. Just want to put that out there. So around her perimeter, she had locks that were undone, mostly in the back. And she had some locks that were basically hanging, as you'll see here. So I had to do a combination of interlocking and instant locking in order to maintain the roots and to reattach locks, because I did have to use scissors to cut the ones that were combined. This was the end result. She has a somewhat uniform pattern now in terms of her grid. It looks like initially the locks were installed with different size boxes, but I was able to kind of make it look a little bit more uniform with the different techniques used. Her hair is so full, even though some locks were cut out. I reestablished the locks in the back with interlocking. I did the same for the hairline. Anything that was too thin was combined, and not just by 2-strand twisting it. I cut where it needed to be cut and instant locked, so to make it stay, basically. This is what it looked like when it was done. She was ecstatic. I was ecstatic. It was a long day, but it was well worth the effort, because as you can see, her grid has been restored, her micro locks have been repaired, and now she can go on with her journey doing her maintenance about every 4 to 6 weeks. And we're both overjoyed with the results. So this is what it looked like. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.